Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Loop. I hope you are doing great today.
Hello, everyone. I'm Anya, and today we're sitting across from each other at our table, ready for another fun English lesson.
Today, we're not going to study grammar from a textbook. Instead, we'll learn 3 useful English words through a simple story.
Those 3 words are could, would, and should. By the end of this story, you'll hear how native speakers use them naturally.
Let's begin. Imagine Emma and her brother David are planning a weekend trip to the mountains.
Emma says, "We could go by train."
David smiles and says, "We could also rent a car."
They haven't decided yet. They're simply talking about different possibilities.
Emma says, "We could leave early in the morning."
David replies, "Or we could leave tonight and stay at a hotel."
Did you notice how they kept using could? They're sharing ideas, not making a final decision.
A few minutes later, Emma asks, "If we rent a car, who will drive?"
David laughs and says, "I would drive if the roads weren't so busy."
Now we hear would. David is imagining a situation.
Emma smiles and says, "I would enjoy a road trip because we could stop anywhere."
See? Would shows what someone wants or imagines, while could shows another possibility.
Then Emma looks outside and says, "The sky is getting dark."
David replies, "Then we should carry umbrellas."
Emma says, "We should also pack some snacks."
They're giving good advice. That's why they use should.
The next morning, Emma says, "We could eat breakfast at home or on the train."
David replies, "I would prefer breakfast at home." Emma laughs and says, "You're right. We should eat now before we leave." After breakfast, Emma says, "I could take my camera."
David answers, "You definitely should. The view will be beautiful."
Emma smiles and says, "I would love to take lots of pictures."
On the way, they find a beautiful lake.
Emma says, "We could stop here for a few minutes."
David says, "I would like that, but we should reach the hotel before sunset."
So they enjoy the lake for a short time and continue their journey.
Later, an old traveler tells them, "You should visit the waterfall. It's amazing."
Emma says, "We could go there this afternoon."
David smiles and says, "I would be very happy to see it."
They visit the waterfall and have a wonderful day together.
On the way home, David says, "Next month, we could visit another place."
Emma laughs and replies, "I would love that."
David adds, "But first, we should save some money."
That's a smart idea.
So today, you heard could for possibilities
Would for imagination and preference.
and should for advice and good ideas.
We hope this story helped you understand these words naturally.
Thank you so much for watching English Loop.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.